In the last section, when looking at reversals and continuations with the Chande Kroll Stop, you may have already noticed some of the strongest portions of a trend form when price is under both lines of the indicator in a downtrend and over both lines when in the stronger portion of an uptrend. In addition to price going over both lines, it's also better to see wider separation between the two lines for the identification of more defined directional movement. Naturally, the stronger portions of a trend that go beyond both these lines usually aren't sustained for a long time. This can be applicable to both reversals and continuations, and sometimes there will be a significant portion of a trend that has already taken place before price begins moving beyond the two lines of the indicator. When there's no clear break above or below the two lines of the indicator, they flatten and move towards this parallel movement relatively flat. In the next section, we'll take a look at the difficulties of using the Chande Kroll Stop indicator in range-bound markets, along with conditions where there are spikes in short-term volatility.